The pipette has to be filled with some sort of a pipette filler, which allows you to suck up the solution that's going to go into the pipette. With this bulb filler, there are 3 valves which control the movement of air in and out of the filler. The top valve allows you to squeeze the air out. You then need to place the pipette into the bottom end of the filler. This is the most dangerous part of a titration. You must make sure to hold it right up the end. Just push gently into the filler. It doesn't have to go in very far. The second valve in the centre here is used to suck. So we can take up, in this case, because I'm rinsing, just a few mils of distilled water and rotate to ensure that all the internal walls are rinsed, and drain into a waste container.